Those are some traditions that cause social and economic barriers. They're acting like a man, a real man. I'm not saying this because my husband is Egyptian. I'm just telling you guys the truth and the real fact about the Egyptian people. Wow. The men are required to join the army. And do you know that here in Egypt, they don't have... Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about gender role. Here in Egypt! Wow! So if you are new in my channel, click subscribe, like, and share. Bell button for more notification, and I'll see you in. Gender role in Egypt is more complex and evolving, with traditional expectation and more on politics and economics. So guys, here in Egypt, it's more likely the men are the provider and the leader of the family, while the women are played some significant role in the various sectors like the household, taking care of the kids, taking care of the house. For short guys, the women here in Egypt are more tied to the domestic sphere, and most of the women here in Egypt are depending with the men. So they need the approval of the family leader, the men of the house, for them to be able to find the job. And if you are married, you need the approval of your husband. And take note guys, here in Egypt, compare the salary of the men and the woman, it's like the salary of the woman is just quarter of the salary of the men's. So it's a very big difference compare it to our country, because in Philippines we have minimum wage. If you work the same position, men or women, you will get the same salary in the end of the month. Those are some traditions that cause social and economic barriers. Ew. Overall well-being, the women are creating their own barriers for education and employment. Despite of all the challenges that the women are facing here, it's like the first time that it's increasingly the role of the woman in the public life. Some of the women these days are leading and serve the ministry here in Egypt. Clothing is a very big factor for the gender role here in Egypt, especially on the religion, traditionally. Usually, they need to wear dress femininely, politely. They cannot wear sleeveless, short, skirt, or something sexy or see-through. What? It will be very disrespectful, especially for the religion of them. Just for your information, guys, not everyone here in Egypt are Muslims. They have Catholic and Orthodox Christian and some kind of Christian as well. Wow! But the clothing is being traditionally practiced. It's not common to see people wearing short, sleeveless. Maybe for us, some foreign, you will find them wearing shorts in some tourist area and in the malls. But it's very rare to see those kind of clothing here in Egypt for the ladies. Then for the men, they need to wear something bold, something looking aggressive and strong. Oh my God! So the man, they need to look really tough in clothing, since they are the leader of the family. From their childhood, they are already being trained or being told for what they are need to do, the responsibility. So if you notice here in Egypt, if you're going to see the boys, they are really tough. They're acting like a man, a real man. They knew it that they are going to have this kind of responsibility and they need to protect their family and their loved ones when they will grow up. If you have Egyptian partner, you will see that they are very respectful, responsible, and overprotective. One big bonus for the Egyptian is the face, guys. They have so many beautiful people here in Egypt. You can see a lot of tall, dark, and handsome, white, tall, and handsome. I'm not saying this because my husband is Egyptian. I'm just telling you guys the truth and the real fact about the Egyptian people. The one thing I really like here is the men are required to join the army. Wow! There is some exemption as well. If you are the only child, you will be exempted. If you are the only son in the family, you will be exempted. And if you are disabled, of course, you will be exempted. Your eyes, it's not clearly as 2020. They might put you in the office in that case. But if you are 100% okay and you are not disabled or anything, you will be required to go in the army. Joining the army in Egypt should be 100% Egyptian. It means the mother and the father, they should be both Egyptian. For those foreigners have a child with the Egyptian, their son will not be able to join the army. I feel like that policy need to be implemented in Philippines. And do you know that here in Egypt, they don't have gay? Or maybe they have, but maybe 1% and they are hiding it. They cannot show it in the public or the family because it's like a crime here in Egypt if you are a gay or a lesbian. It's either way. And they can send you imprisonment for being gay or lesbian. Egypt are not that open for that kind of scenarios. Especially they are being ruled by the religion. I know you feels like it's a little bit discriminating, but I think that should be the right way to discipline the people. So that's it for today's video, everyone. If you have any question or any violent reaction, just write it down in the comment. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe, click like and share, bell button for more notification. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.